Hello guys, welcome to this ViidCloud review, and this is not going to be a video like other creators where they just read the sales page and don't show you actually live in action. Does those functions and features really work, or they are just a gimmick? Anyway, so now pay close attention to this video and let's dive into today's ViidCloud review presentation. Basically today I will show you what is ViidCloud and how you can make the most out of this platform. We'll see all the ViidCloud applications. What makes ViidCloud stand out from the crowd from other expensive platforms? We will see all the ViidCloud features, ViidCloud A to Z full walkthrough or ViidCloud demo to justify their claims, and then ViidCloud pricing plans and all the upsells you'll be getting with ViidCloud. And if you happen to buy ViidCloud from the link given in the description, you'll also get my exclusive never ever given before ViidCloud bonuses, and they worth $4,393. When you complete the purchase at JVZoo checkout you can claim them there. And all the ViidCloud bonus from my side are listed on my website. Just click the link in the description, it will redirect you to my bonus page. And at last, I'll show you, do ViidCloud have any money back guarantee or refund policy? And all the important timestamps of this ViidCloud software review are given in the description of this video, so you can scroll through the part which you want to see. So let's get started with ViidCloud review. So what is ViidCloud? ViidCloud is a cloud-based video hosting and video marketing platform. But it is more than just that. So be with me to the end to know the full potential and customizations available with ViidCloud, like high-speed videos, incredible player customization, lead capture, call to action, button overlays, video analytics, button animation, video to GIF conversion, and many more features and other customizations. As we all know, the problem with Vimeo, Wista, or YouTube video hosting services is they are very expensive and they charge you a high monthly fee and you have to pay every recurring month to use that service, but you still face difficulties like autoplay, slow loading, 100% full control, and having zero outside commercials or other business recommendations inside your video, and many more obstacles in your video marketing. But no worries, now ViidCloud could be your one-stop solution for all your video marketing problems. You can help local businesses by offering video marketing and video hosting services. The commercial license with ViidCloud is included free with the front-end ViidCloud offer. And you can earn top dollars, and you can even charge more for the autoplay with GIF or splash image feature. We'll see them in details in the ViidCloud demo walkthrough. So let's begin the ViidCloud demo and see everything live from my screen. So right now we are on the dashboard of ViidCloud. As you can see here, we have got a couple of options, and here on the left hand side, you can see the menu bar like templates, campaigns, playlist, autoresponder integrations and all that good stuff. So there's two ways to use this software. Number one is if you just want to straight up upload a video. You can just do this by clicking here on Add Campaign. You can click on an ad campaign and upload your video, and then you can customize all of your settings and marketing opportunities. But also there's a second way to do it. And this is here where I click on templates. They have built-in agency website templates for anyone who's a beginner. Let's say they don't have a website yet. And you can customize these templates completely. And if you use one of these templates, your video is going to show up inside of the template already. And you can sell these templates to local businesses, right? But I'm going to go with the option where I just want to upload my video and embed it on website quickly and easily. Here's the dashboard. I can see the title of my campaign right here. I can see some stats right here, and I can click on an ad campaign, and then it's going to let me add the actual video. Now I'm going to go with one that I already uploaded. And for example, in this video right here, I can click on edit. It's the same step. And in the first step is going to ask you to actually give it a name. So here let's call this a JV demo video. I can click here next step right now. And this is where you can drag and drop your video right in here. Or you can browse your computer to pick the video. You can also password protect your video. Let's say you want only certain people to be able to access the video, and you can password protect it. And then here you can see that I already uploaded a video. Now, if I wanted to check it real quick, I could click here on click to see, and then it will be able to see the video. Once you upload the video, you just click your next step, and this is where you can customize your thumbnail or splash image. If you already have an image or a GIF on your computer, you just browse right here. And then here's one of the coolest features. You can actually take your video that you just uploaded and turn it into a GIF. In just seconds, you just pick the time frame from your computer that you want to turn into animation or into a GIF. And then you just click here to create GIFs, and you're going to be good to go. That's going to help you to get more clicks, more engagement, more views, which then also leads, of course, to more sales. And it is also a cool service that you can offer to clients, because right now in many browsers, you can't auto start a video anymore. But with this feature right here, you can have an animated GIF at the beginning of your video, which helps you to get more clicks. Now, if you want to use ViidCloud's library of splash images and GIF images as well, you can go here. For example, I can put funny in here, and then I have a library of thousands of different GIFs that I can use. Or if you want to have more, a regular stock image, they have many royalty-free stock images, right to you that you can choose from, and any niche that you can think of, and you can then add that like a splash image. Now, In this case I'm not going to pick any because I already used this option right here, which was to create the GIF. I can click here now on next, and then here, you can see that I have my GIF here and it's animated because it took my video and turned it into a GIF. This is how it looks like at the beginning. Now in this overlay customization I can increase the transparency or decrease it. For example, for this video I can also customize the play button animation. So if I want to have a different animation that pops up when someone lands on my page, I can change it as well. And then here the play icon, how you want it player to look like, you can change it right here. And then if you want to add text in your video below the button, you can customize it right here. You can customize the color right here, and you can of course customize the text. And then here you can also customize other options as well. And then once you are good with your choices right here, you are good to go. Now one important thing is here, if you want to actually overlay a button inside of your video, if you want to collect leads inside of your video, if you want to redirect people from the video, you can do all of this right here. And then here at the bottom, you can see, they also have Autoresponder integrations included as well, which is also a great service to sell to local businesses. For example, offering them lead capture abilities right from inside their videos. Now the next step is just to click on the next step. And then here I have SEO optimization and tracking code that I can add in the header script. Footer script here can set my meta tags. And then the last step is just to click here on the next step. And then here is where I can choose some templates if I want to, or I can also skip this step, and then I'm going to be good to go. And I can head back to my actual menu. And then the video is going to show up right here, and I can click here on my embed options. And it's going to give me different embed code that I can then obviously put on my ClickFunnels page, my WordPress page, HTML, whatever a website builder I may prefer. I can also link straight to the actual video and I can edit it. I can send it to the trash. And then here, if I give you a quick example on a ClickFunnels page that Mr. Mario created, for the ViidCloud promotion. You can see here this is something that the owner of the product uses for their video engagement and video promotion in their own business, so you can say that it is not a gimmick. Anyway, here you can see how his splash image is animating. You can see how he is talking here, but this is just a splash image. The button is animated. And that's going to give you more clicks and more engagement as well. Right now, this is just one of the options. If you just want to quickly and easily upload your video, they have customization, they have templates, website templates, they have different images, splash images, and they have high-speed service, and they have Dropbox integration. You can actually use a free Dropbox account, or you can use a paid Dropbox account. You can use their fast-speed Amazon account, or you can use your own Amazon account for hosting to get lightning-fast videos. And then ViidCloud also have different integrations like different email autoresponders, and they're going to add more autoresponders as ViidCloud goes live. If you want to manage your leads, you can do that right here. They're going to have a white label option where you can actually add users. You can resell the software with your name and branding with their white label abilities. You can even customize the members area and add your own branding and logo and things like that as well. And they have added a playlist feature as well. So you can also create a playlist. And then, as I said, by the time the ViidCloud goes live, this is going to be even more features available right here. This was a quick ViidCloud demo and ViidCloud walkthrough, and ViidCloud is going to be live on the 29th of December. And thank you so much folks for watching so far. You guys are really awesome. Wait, don't click off. We haven't yet seen the ViidCloud Pricing and ViidCloud Upsells and my exclusive $4,393 worth of ViidCloud Bonus. So now pay close attention to this. I believe the ViidCloud's front-end price is just $47. With this plan you'll also get commercial rights and other features with few limitations, as you can see on my screen. I've also shared all the details related to ViidCloud Pricing and ViidCloud Upsells on my website. Okay, so now let's see all the ViidCloud's upsells. So basically you will be offered 4 optional upsells. ViidCloud's upsell number 1 is ViidCloud Unlimited at a one-time fee of $67 only, and I believe during the launch period only. With this upgradation you will get rid of from ViidCloud's logo from the video player, and you can even add your own logo inside the video player and many more amazing features, as you can see on my website. The second ViidCloud's upsell is ViidCloud Pro version at a one-time fee of $67. With this upgradation you can add call to actions on your videos, you can capture leads, and you can do SEO optimization, and you can take advantage of many other amazing features. All the details are listed on my website in details. The third ViidCloud's upsell is ViidCloud White Label. It means you can sell this platform as your own product and you can keep the 100% profit, and all the other details of this upsell are listed on my websites as like other upsells. Well, ViidCloud White Label comes with 2 options. With the first option you can sell up to 50 accounts, but with second option of only $397 you get unlimited accounts and much more. The first option will cost you $147 and the second option will cost you $397, and with second option you can sell unlimited accounts. The ViidCloud upsell number 4 is ViidCloud Agency Marketing Kit, and this is for you if you don't know how to run a video marketing agency. Or if you already know, then how you can scale it further with their professionally designed done-for-you marketing material to help businesses to sell video marketing and video hosting services. Wait, don't click off. We haven't yet seen my never ever given amazing ViidCloud bonuses, and all the ViidCloud bonuses are listed on my website and they worth $4,393. Make sure to collect them at the checkout after your purchase on JVZoo. So that's it for today's ViidCloud review. Hope you like it. If you have any query, leave a comment below this video. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel Prime Helper for new contents. Peace out.